continuous carbonization furnace. First, we feed in material by this through conveyor. The materials will be carbonized through the rotating round roller. The heat at the bottom. Materials will be dried, carbonized, and cooled, then discharged as ready charcoal at the back of the furnace. For this device is a carbonized fuller. Total length is 18 meters. Cooled by the grounded water. This site we are using liquid gas for preheating the furnace. Using the customized gasifer liquid gas bottle. We are using electric ignition. Each system matches its ignition system. We can observe the fire through this hole. You can see at the hole the fire condition here. And there is five observations. Induced draft fan to bring air to promote the fire burning. Preheating takes 1 to 2 hours based on your material. Then the material carbonized are able to produce rainbow gas, and the furnace temperature will reach around 300 Celsius. Then we stop the gasifer system. Continuous feeding and continuously discharging ready charcoal. Intelligent control system. Special design for both sides. This design is aimed to keep the whole system sealed and keep the heat. At this side, this is our purification system. All the smoke coming from carbonizing will be treated. It's smokeless working. And we can also recycle using the flammable gas produced from the carbonizing. We control the conveyor, the rotating system, the ignition system, and the gas heating system all by this control box. It's very easy operating.